If you're struggling to get your first 1,000 subscribers, this message is for you. Every big YouTuber you see today, every single one, started at zero. But the difference is, they followed a simple strategy. And today, I'm going to tell you that same strategy in the simplest way possible. When you're trying to get your first 1,000 subscribers, it can feel slow, confusing, and sometimes even impossible. But the truth is, every successful YouTuber you admire today started exactly where you are right now, with 0 subscribers, 0 experience, and 0 confidence. The only difference is that they followed a simple structure, a few small habits that pushed their channel forward. Today, I want to share those same habits with you in the simplest narrative possible. Imagine your channel growing from 0 to 1,000 subscribers faster than you ever dreamed. No fancy camera, no expensive mic, no perfect editing. Just the right steps. The journey begins with consistency. YouTube doesn't care if your video is shot on a basic phone, but YouTube absolutely loves creators who show up regularly. If you can upload 3 videos every single week, even if they re-simple, the algorithm starts recognizing your effort and begins recommending your content to more people. Now comes your biggest shortcut, YouTube Shorts. These tiny videos can change everything for new creators. A single short can bring hundreds of subscribers overnight. Keep them quick, energetic, and direct, around 15 to 30 seconds with a powerful hook in the first 3 seconds. Shorts introduce your channel to thousands of new viewers in a way long videos cannot. But even if your video is great, people will only click if your thumbnail and title catch their attention. You don't need to be a designer, just use big, readable text and a bright background. The title should be clear and promise value instantly. Think simple phrases like how to grow, do this to improve, top 3 tips, or the secret to. When the viewer understands what they'll get, they are far more likely to click. The next part is something most new YouTubers ignore: the first 10 seconds. This is where most viewers leave. So start your video with energy. Don't waste time. Go straight to the point, surprise your audience, or make a strong promise. If you can hold the viewer for those first few seconds, YouTube will naturally push your video to more people. Engagement is another powerful growth booster. One simple question to your viewers can change everything. Ask something easy like, which tip helped you the most? Or, what should I cover next? Even a handful of comments can double your reach. And finally, never underestimate the power of sharing. Your first subscribers won't be strangers. They will come from WhatsApp groups, Facebook groups, your friends, family, or Instagram followers. These early shares give YouTube an early push, and once YouTube sees that your video is gaining traction, it starts recommending your content on its own. Growing your first 1,000 subscribers isn't magic. It's about showing up, providing value, using smart strategies, and allowing YouTube to notice you. If you follow these steps consistently for even 30 days, you will start seeing real growth, maybe faster than you expect. And once that growth starts, it never stops.